In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make animated stories with ChatGPT images. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to turn a simple idea into a polished animated short, complete with visuals, movement, and voice narration, using accessible tools throughout the entire process. We'll begin by opening ChatGPT and logging into your account. Start a fresh chat so everything related to your project stays organized in one place. This will become your production hub, where you'll develop your story, create your script, and generate the images you'll use later. Begin by asking ChatGPT to write a story script that is divided into clear scenes with detailed visual descriptions. Be sure to include information about the genre, your target audience, the tone of the story, and the overall length you're aiming for. Request scene headings, descriptions of what should appear in every shot, and short notes about the mood or camera perspective. If the script doesn't feel quite right, continue refining it by requesting tighter pacing, lighter dialogue, or stronger visual moments until every scene has a clear purpose. Next, use ChatGPT to generate an image for each scene. Base every image on the visual descriptions from your script, so each frame represents the key moment in that part of the story. Keep the same aspect ratio across every image to make editing much smoother later. If an image isn't exactly what you had in mind, adjust the prompt by refining the lighting, composition, or background details, then generate another version. To keep your main character consistent from one scene to the next, create a reusable character description and include it in every image prompt. Describe the character's age, hairstyle, clothing, materials, colors, distinctive features, art style, and lighting. Using the same wording along with similar camera distance and viewing angle will help your character remain recognizable throughout the entire story. After generating your images, enhance them with a tool such as Pixel Cut. Improve the overall clarity, clean the edges, balance the exposure, and make small color adjustments so every image feels like part of the same project. These subtle improvements can make your final animation look much more polished. Now it's time to bring your still images to life. Add gentle motion such as slow pans, subtle zooms, or a light parallax effect. Keep each shot around 3 to 5 seconds long, and make sure every movement feels smooth, so the audience stays focused on the story rather than the effects. For narration and sound, use 11 Labs to generate expressive voiceovers for your script. Create separate audio clips for each scene or line to make timing easier during editing. Add a few ambient sounds and simple sound effects to emphasize important moments without overwhelming the narration. Finally, assemble everything in CapCut. Import your animated clips and audio, arrange the scenes in order, and align each visual with its matching voice line. Fine-tune the timing, add simple transitions, include your sound effects, and keep any background music at a low volume beneath the dialogue. Do a quick color match across all scenes, preview the entire project from beginning to end, then export your finished animated story using your preferred resolution and frame rate. Review the completed video, and it's ready to share. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,